Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Stash to invest with educational goals, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, download the Stash app from your device's app store. Open the app and create your account by providing the necessary information. Once your account is set up, log into the app. Navigate to the investing section to start exploring educational goals. Select the option for creating a new investment account. When prompted, choose to set your investment goals. Look for the section labeled Educational Goals within the investment options. Define your specific educational goals, such as college tuition or skill development. Enter the target amount you wish to save for your educational objectives. Set a timeline for when you want to reach these financial goals. Next, review the investment strategies recommended by Stash. Choose an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and timeline. Once you've selected your strategy, allocate funds to your new educational goal account. Consider setting up recurring deposits to consistently fund your goals. Review the performance of your investments regularly. Make adjustments as necessary based on your progress in changing financial situation. Stay informed by using the educational resources provided by Stash. Always check for new investment opportunities that align with your goals. Engage with the Stash community for tips and support on achieving educational objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.